Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing your May energies. Let's see what's surrounding you in May and how you can use these energies to have a wonderful, wonderful month ahead. And guess what popped out? The King of Pentacles. So this is really high vibrational energy, Leo. Maybe prioritizing your finances, your money, you're looking good, and yes, working on stability here. I don't know why this card is out here. I'm going to put it here, and we're going to start our reading now, Leo. Let's start. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of May. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. I almost started the wrong spread, so I'm going to do it again. Ooh, Judgment. Aries got this too as well, Leo, the Judgment card. This is like being reborn. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to put this here as well. And now we'll begin our reading. So, my lions and my lionesses. So, Leo, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And we're good to go. The High Priestess, bottom of my spread. So yes, Leo, you could be listening to your intuition now about what's the next step ahead. Maybe some old chapter of your life is coming to a close and you're being presented with a brand new life. And from what I see with the King of Pentacles energy, is looking pretty good. Yes, current energy is the Six of Pentacles. Equal give and take, good partnerships, whether it's related to your money, whether it's related to your personal life. This is on your mind currently. So why is the Six of Pentacles here, Spirit, for my lions and lionesses? You're in introspection. Yes, the High Priestess, the Hermit. You could be by yourself. You could be kind of getting over some old chapter of your life, Leo. And right now, I think you're kind of getting your downloads. You're getting some guidance as to how you can move forward with a balanced kind of a life, a balanced approach to life. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Leo to be in this state? The Moon. There was, maybe there were some secrets here, or maybe you were emotionally a little overwhelmed in the recent past due to certain things. Maybe things were not clear. One more for Leo for the recent past, Spirit. One more. Recent past looks pretty good here, Leo. Yes, you moved out. You moved out of something and you took back your power. Look at this. You headed towards maybe self-love. You decided to start taking care of yourself. You charged ahead, not looking back at all. And you left anything that was, emotionally burdening to you or troubling you. You left all those troubled waters behind and you made a choice to move ahead into a happier place in your life. And maybe that's the reason, maybe this right now you may be feeling a little hermitish because you're still kind of trying to understand how do you want to start this new chapter of your life, which I feel is going to be pretty good with the Six of Pentacles now and the Judgment card, which means rebirth, and then I have the King of Pentacles here as well. So it's going to be stable, it's going to be balanced, it's going to, at least that's what you're wishing and praying for, right here. So let's see what's coming up for you then in May. Four of Swords. Yes, you can finally in May, Leo, Four of Swords is a card of somebody. This is like an old myth. How the tarot was made, when a soldier used to go to war and get battered, bruised, almost killed, right? When they used to come back home, they used to already make a coffin for them before leaving. And when they would come back home, they would lie on top of the coffin, lay their swords down, and just go back into a resting mode to thank the universe for bringing them home alive and well. So I think in May you're going to finally breathe that sigh of relief to say, hey, I've done it. I've come out of a very, very difficult time, but now I'm heading towards whatever I choose now. So let's see what's going to come up then. Leo spirit. King of Wands. Here you are, Leo. That's your card, isn't it? King of Wands with a King of Swords. With utmost clarity in your head, in your mind, in your soul, with your knowledge, you're now going to be moving ahead passionately. Don't go by the gender of the cards, Leo. This card represents the zodiac sign of Leo. And now it's just not passion without thinking. You're making very logical, you will be making very logical decisions as well. After taking some time out with a calm mind and a rested soul. Okay, so what else can we expect, Spirit, for Leo in May? What can we expect for Leo in May? Lots of stability coming towards you, Leo. I don't know what you guys are doing, but you're going to be making a lot of money, or at least starting the process of moving towards your stability with the Ten of Pentacles energy, with that stability card. Leo, I think all this is happening because you've taken some time out. You've really gone within to think about things, and here you are, not just passionately doing 100 things, but you're making very wise decisions, clear cut. Okay, so what should Leo hold on to, Spirit? The Hermit. Or maybe this is what you're still holding on to in May. Leo, stay in this zone if possible. I'm not saying don't meet people or don't go out, but right now I think in May is a very important time for you, because I did see the Four of Swords here as well. Whatever time you're going to take for yourself in introspection, you're going to get more and more answers. So May is going to be a little bit time to go within and plan out your next move, which is going to head towards wonderful things. So think long and hard in May before you take any action. And because the universe is behind this, the Hermit card is like getting direct downloads from the universe, right? You're going to make wise decisions which are going to really benefit you going forth. So Spirit is saying, hold on to what you've learned. Hermit Spirit, Hermit for Leo, Hermit for Leo. Okay. Same cards, repeating cards for you, Leo. This is going to be good for you. This time you're not going to be making any mistakes. You're only going to be giving to things, places which are going to give you something back in return. Okay? That's going to be a very wise decision that you're going to be making. Any decision. It's going to be equal partnerships, equal give and take. And that's all coming from thinking and looking within. If you've been somebody who's not been giving equally to something and expecting more, that's going to stop. If somebody else has been taking and not giving you, that's going to stop because of your own wisdom on how to move things forward now. So what should Leo let go of, Spirit? Three of Cups. Why is that, Spirit? Why should Leo let go of Three of Cups? Yes, it's indecision. Maybe you want to go back to something that was there previously, Leo. You still think about it with very fond memories sometimes, even though it may not have served you that well. I'm sorry if you can hear the noise coming from next door. There's some construction going on, Leo. I really can't do much about it. So Leo, Spirit is saying, now stop fluctuating. Enough is enough. You can't be in this no man's land forever. Don't go back and forth about should you go back for a restart of something. It's time now, I think, to move ahead. So let's take one more. What else should Leo let go of, Spirit? What else should Leo let go of? Any impulsive decisions, any rash or impulsive decisions, any need to, justify yourself or fight or argue. I think it's going to be really important for you to calm yourself down in May with this Four of Swords energy. Be in a calm state of mind and be in a hermit mode, which is making very wise decisions. Can you ever imagine a hermit, charging and doing things? They'll always take time, they'll sit in their meditation, think long and hard before they even open their mouth. I think that's what Spirit is urging you to do as well. Don't fluctuate anymore about anything which hurt you in the past, maybe. Don't be in this energy of the Knight of Swords. Anything rash, mind your words. Your words have a lot of power now in May. So make very careful decisions as to what you're going to say when. So let's see what is going to be our biggest blockage. The Chariot. Why is that a blockage, Spirit? Why is the Chariot going to be a blockage? The blockage here is you overthinking things, Leo. I think what Spirit is trying to say, your path ahead is open for you now. Your path is totally open, and if in case you've kind of walked away from something, maybe this was a job, maybe in a big company, maybe this was a commitment which has, you walked away from, I think it's time now to be very clear cut about, do you want to now, go back, or you want to move forward to a new beginning? It's going to be time to really step into your power. This is you have to be very sure, you have to be very clear. I don't know what to say to this, Leo, but this is what I'm feeling. It's going to become a blockage, something that you've walked away from, to go back. Maybe if you can just forgive yourself and, clear the air, it's going to help you. The maximum you should do is clear the air here, because the path forward is guided by the universe now. But I see you in a little bit of indecision. Should I move forward? Should I move back? But if you've already taken that first step, Leo, I don't think there's any holding back. Let's see, how do people see Leo? Broken-hearted. This is the same card that came for Aries as well, as to how people see Aries. My God, these fire signs. Why are people seeing Leo as the Three of Swords, Spirit? Okay, I think I've got it. Why the Chariot is going to become a blockage, in case you need to offer forgiveness. In case you need to maybe say sorry to somebody from your past who you walked away from, or something. I think you have to clear the air before you can actually find that forward movement. If nothing else, I think it's time to forgive yourself. So why do people see Leo in the Three of Swords, Spirit? People think you're very stressed out. They think you still have a lot of regrets for the past, Leo. You still are crying over spilt milk, something that didn't work out in the past. This you as having sleepless nights, not sleeping well, having nightmares, still worried, and still sitting here with a broken heart. So no wonder these cards are coming out about your blockages. It's time, I think, Leo, to clear whatever has happened in the past. It's time now to forgive yourself and others, and that's how your forward movement will begin. Sorry, Leo, my alarm was going off. Okay, so let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you now. Knight of Cups. It's time to go towards new beginnings, it seems, Leo. Knight of Cups, Spirit? Yes, end of a cycle again. Oh my God. I mean, Leo and Aries have got identical cards. It's time. The old chapter is over. The 10 wands have already kind of broken your back. I think Leo, after 10 wands, you can't get an 11th. I just explained that in the Aries reading as well. After this, you can only pick up that one want, that passionate new beginning. So it's time now for this old chapter to be over. The World card. This is over. This is absolutely over. You're coming back in power. You're taking back control of your life. And it's now time to go towards new beginnings. You will be receiving some very good offers, or maybe it's time for you to take those lovely offers and move on. Yes, this is a new birth for you. Judgment card. Beautiful. And I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card for you as well to bless May with, and see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless your beautiful month with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. And the card we have for you, Leo, is blessings. Look at Lord Ganesha sprinkling these rose petals on you. This is like welcome to your new life. It's amazing how, Leo for Aries first and now Leo, almost similar energies, and people looking at them as having had their heart broken, but now the new energies are coming in. Rebirth is here. Judgment is here. The only thing, Leo, is now you have to forgive yourself, I think. So, and be clear, okay? Trust in the universe as you're walking away and moving towards a brand new future. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Have a wonderful month ahead, and of course we'll keep meeting. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.